morning and welcome back to the open house. And this session, everyone, is very special. We do live Q&A with the academic staff members at the College of Management. And I first like to introduce our colleagues, Astrid, Simon, and Randall, to be with us. Thank you for being with us this morning. Since it's all about the benefit of the master degree and the uniqueness of the program, can you share with us, Astrid, why should we do this degree, Master of Management, and how unique we are, please?
Yeah, thank you for the question. Our Master of Management degree, I think, is unique in a way that we very much focus on making it practical. And we use a lot of techniques like problem-based learning, where we let students solve real-life problems in the classroom. So in that sense, the master degree is supporting you to actually challenge and tackle the real-life problems that you face in your work.
The next point on this kind of unique learning and experiences, I think one major reason comes from the diversity of our academic staff members. Simon, you mentioned this point before, so can you tell us more about the background of the faculty here, please?
Okay, if you allow, then I introduce my personal background a little bit first. So I did my master's degree in Germany. I did my PhD in Switzerland. I have a family business background in Germany, and I started up my own business in Switzerland. And then it was CMMU who made me move to Thailand. This is just one example. And I just can say that our faculty is diverse. We have international faculty, we have local faculty, but if I'm saying local faculty, this does not mean that they are very international by themselves too.
I'm sure you have international students who actually stay or live abroad at the moment in your course. How would you manage that in terms of teaching and learning? And that was quite interesting to see how technology shaped the way we learn in the international education experience this day.
Yes, Ajahn, I think that's part of what I mentioned about flexibility being so amazing, that, even when we had the option to come to class, sometimes people said they had heavy traffic, or they had to work late, or they had a young child, or for whatever reasons. And now in our online classes, if they didn't tell us they weren't in Thailand, we wouldn't necessarily know. So we have students who are in China, in Germany, in Switzerland, in Myanmar, in all different countries, and they just log in and join the class.